Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation. And as you can see here, we've got the option we're looking for. And before we will set it, I just wanted to draw attention to those options. If you will decide that you want to stick to the buttons, you can reorder the back button and the recent so you can customize them. Alright, so to set the gestures, simply tap on this animation, and if you want to, you can go through the tutorial. Just tap on Learn. I don't want to do it. I will also show you in a second how to use the gestures. So instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line at the bottom which is responsible for some gestures. We can hide it if you'd like to, and I think I prefer to have it hidden, so let me do it. Here you can also customize the vibration on the back navigation, switch to previous apps, mistouch prevention, and you can again learn gestures. Here we've got also the sensitivity to back gesture, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It's basically up to you, up to your own preferences. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.